What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the mirrors on my GSX-R, and these ones are pretty worn out and this one fell off, and also there's no front blinkers at all, so I bought ones that have front blinkers like on the front right here, and they're right here. I already opened up and look at them. Here they are. I think they look pretty nice. Got some fingerprints on there already, and here's the blinker right here. I think they look pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the old mirrors real quick and get the new ones on. To take off the mirrors, there's just these two bolts right here with two nuts on the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off both the old mirrors. I just got the old ones off, and they are left-right specific, I think. So this one of the flat part is I'm gonna have the flat part going down so it's flat with the ground, so it looks better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. You can bend the rubber piece up so that you can hold the bolts so they don't fall out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and slip the wire through the bolt hole so it can go behind the flat part, and then slip it into the hole. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the mirror so it can't move that much. Now that we have everything tightened up, I'm gonna put the rubber piece back over. I just finished up the first one. It looks way better. Still need to wire it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one installed. I just got both of them all on, and they look really nice, but I noticed that this one doesn't fit all the way like flat, and then I noticed that the mounting holes aren't like exactly the same, so this one's a little bit lower than this one, but I think it's alright, and they look really nice. And now I just gotta wire up the blinkers. Alright, I went ahead and found this loom of wire, and it looks like it went to the blinker. I went ahead and did the same thing with the voltmeter that I did on the tail light, and it was flashing volts when I put the blinker on, so this one's for the left blinker. Alright, I went ahead and found the other blinker. It's just like a 2 thing right there. You just plug it in, the power and the ground. So I went ahead and got this thing and poked the hole in the middle to make it bigger. I'm gonna put tape over it and then slide it over one of the things so it doesn't touch the other one. I went ahead and plugged that in and wrapped some more tape around it so it'll stay in. And then I got both the grounds hooked up and spliced into each other. And I found this ground right here, and I just went ahead and crimped this on and plug it in, and everything will be ready to go. So I'm about to plug that in and start the blinkers up for the first time. Alright, this one's gonna be the left one. Oh, I didn't even know I had that. There's like LEDs in the mirror. You can't even see them when it's not on. And the front side looks pretty good, I think. Let's try the other side real quick. Yep. Alright, so we're all done. It looks pretty good. Definitely thinks it looks better than the other one. Now that we know that the blinkers are worked and the wires are all hooked up, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the wires. I'm just gonna put this one through the same loom and zip tie them up here, and this one zip tie up to this one too. I went ahead and cleaned up all the wires, and I taped this one down here to the wiring harness. Alright, we're all done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat back on, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up some more. The mirrors still move a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten both of them up some more. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the mirrors to where I think they should be. So I think they look way better already, but let's go ahead and do a before and after. I think they look way cleaner, and I'm gonna do a couple pictures too. I will have these in the description if you guys wanted to get some of these. They weren't that expensive, like 40 bucks or something. So if you wanted these, they will be in the description. Alright, so some of you are asking like about the Mustang, why I haven't been posting any videos about it. I like this new bike, and I like that I bought it, so I'd like to post videos about both the Mustang and the bike. So there will be more videos about the Mustang coming soon. And I just bought a helmet too, and I bought a tag plate that'll be coming in soon, so get all that stuff on, and then I'll be ready to ride. I also have a schedule now, so I will be posting on Fridays at 12 o'clock noon. And we just got the mirrors all done, so that's gonna be the end of this video. If you'd like to see more of the bike or the Mustang, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and get the bell on so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And also, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and like the video.